Hi and welcome to Cycle Maintenance Academy. My name is Arek and today I would like to show you how to pump those car type valves on your bike wheel called Schrader valves. Okay, let's begin. Before you start pumping your Schrader valve tube, first have a look at your pump. If the valve hole on the pump head is smaller than the valve, then you will need to set it up for the car type valve. First unscrew the nail nut surrounding the hole clockwise. This should be hand tight. Inside there is a circular piece of rubber with a hole. To remove it, open the lever and the rubber pad will lift up. Grasp the rubber with your fingers and slowly slide it out. If you struggle, you can use a pair of long-nose pliers. Now you can see that both ends have a hole. The one for Schrader is bigger and the one for Presta is smaller. Inside the pump head there is one more piece usually made out of plastic. Tip this out of the head. One end has a pointy end, the valve stem depressor, and the other end is open. Install the plastic piece into the pump head with the pointy end uppermost. Its job is to press down on a little stud in the center of the valve so air can get in. Now put the rubber bit on top with a large hole facing upwards and a small hole over the valve stem depressor. Close the lever and push the rubber seal down. Now screw on the external knurled nut, but don't over tighten it. It just needs to be finger tight. Inflating the tyre with a Schrader valve. To know how much air to add, check the recommended tyre pressure. You can usually find this information etched on the edge or sidewall of the tyre. If there's a dust cap on the valve, then unscrew it anti-clockwise. You don't have to undo anything on the valve. Apply pressure to the tyre just above the valve. While maintaining pressure, push the pump head onto the valve as far as you can. At this point, a little bit of air might escape, but don't worry about this. If there is a lever on your pump, move it now so that the pump adapter grips the valve. Start pumping until you reach the recommended pressure. Use the gauge on the pump if there is one. If you don't have a gauge, squeeze the tyre's sidewalls. If they feel squishy like an orange, you need more air. Keep adding air until it's firm like an apple. When you have finished, release the lever if you have one. Now you need to remove the pump as quickly as you can, otherwise you might start losing air pressure. The quicker it comes off, the less air is released. If required, refit the dust cap. Thanks for watching and don't forget to let me know in the comments below how you got on pumping your bike tyres with the Schrader valve. If you want to support my channel, then consider a small donation by clicking on the Super Thanks icon below this video. Thanks and see you in the next one!